With the changes in chemistry being applied today, the ability to clean out the spray applicator has grown in importance. The new C-Series liquid system offers a more effective way to clean out the spray applicator. Product rinse on the Rogator allows a rinse of the liquid system areas, depending on if product is remaining in the tank or if the entire system needs to be cleaned for a chemical change. The rinse procedure can be performed three ways: product tank rinse, recirculation plumbing rinse, reload and boom plumbing rinse to ground. When changing between products, the entire liquid system needs to be rinsed. Product tank and recirculation plumbing rinse. Tank can be rinsed separately. Recirculation plumbing is rinsed back to the tank. Rinsate can be collected in the product tank or sprayed out the booms. Whenever product needs to remain in the sprayer, the operator runs into issues of product settling in the plumbing that can cause issues of plug strainers, flow meter, or nozzles. Also, they may have concerns of product impregnating the materials of the liquid system, increasing the chances of a cross-contamination when changing between chemicals. Reload and boom rinse to ground will solve those concerns. Product can remain in the product tank. It can be agitated and applied at a later time. Plumbing from pump to the booms can be rinsed. This leaves the plumbing clear of product. Rinsate is sprayed out of the booms.
System rinse is required to safely change from one chemical to another, reducing the risk of improper application. The Rogator C-Series was designed with this in mind, and its new plumbing system makes the process even easier and more effective. This new system provides a more thorough rinse due to a reduction in T-fittings, additional sweeping 90-degree elbows, and the elimination of dead ends on pipes. For greater peace of mind, air cleanout can be used to remove product from the boom at any time during rinse. 3 different procedures can be initiated on the Rogator C-Series. Start by selecting Rinse from the menu and then Rinse Product Tank. This will properly orient the electric valve on the pump vent to effectively clean the tank. At this point, all manual system valves should be adjusted, including closing the bypass, setting the 3-way valve to rinse from its normal operation position, and opening the fresh water valve connected to the rinse tank. This sends fresh water inside the tank, where crosscuts fan the water out, allowing it to shower down the sidewalls for a more effective rinse. This rinse should run for approximately 1/3 of the volume of the rinse tank. Next, open the sump valve. Close the freshwater rinse valve. Open the bypass. Open the agitation valve. And move the 3-way valve to the eductor if the machine has one. After the tank rinse is complete, simply cancel it on the keypad or proceed to the next step. When the recirculation plumbing rinse is started, electric valves will adjust automatically. The agitation valve closes. The main shutoff valve opens. The recirculation valve opens. The product recovery manifold valve and the product recovery sump valve open. Manual valves can then be adjusted. The 3-way valve should be in the spray position. The bypass is closed, and the sump is opened. Start the pump to send rinsate through the booms and recirculation lines, pushing the contaminated product into the bottom of the tank, ready for proper disposal or reapplication at a lower rate. Once the plumbing rinse is complete, it can be canceled on the keypad. The third rinse option can be used as a quick rinse. Select Boom Rinse to Ground to clear any chemical residue while leaving the product in the tank. This prevents chemical from settling in the nozzles or creating hot spots in the plumbing. Once selected, the electric valves will set themselves to the open position. The pump vent, the tank sump, the agitation valve, the main shutoff valve, the boom feed control valve, and the product recovery manifold valve. Manual valves can then be set to the proper location. The 3-way valve is set to spray. The bypass is closed, and the freshwater valve is opened. Now the rinse water can be sprayed out of the booms to flush the system. And since the product tank is not rinsed, the remaining product can be applied at a later time after re-agitation. As with the other rinse procedures, just cancel the boom rinse once it's complete. These three options provide an effective, thorough rinse of the product tank and the recirculation plumbing. Once again, innovative design sets the Rogator C-Series apart. From the inside out, it's serious machinery for serious results.
The rinse system on the Rogator C-Series liquid system will help the operator reduce product buildup in boom plumbing, reload and boom rinse to ground, aids in rinsing the entire liquid system when changing chemistries being applied, product tank rinse, recirculation plumbing rinse.